This is going to be another toilet cleaning video. This thing was even dirtier than before, but I just did a little bit of cleaning. You can see there's massive junk in there, like granules. There are people that live below me, and we share a common stack. And I looked at my toilet, and it just wasn't draining. It wasn't going down. So I plunged and I plunged. But when you plunge and there's a blockage below, things kind of come up. There's a ton of granules, like gravel, in this toilet. So somebody below me definitely had an episode of granules coming out of their waka zaka zaka. And I figured the plumber's going to be coming over here. I don't know if he's going to come into my place, but they got to they got to clean the pipe below. And I thought, let me drain the water. Yes, I didn't put on gloves. I put my hand in there and I drained the water. Let me show you, just so that you know what I'm talking about. That's the water that came out of there. Yeah, my hand was in there without gloves. Look at all this dirt. So I thought, you know, a plumber's going to be coming over here. You really don't want chemicals in the toilet when a plumber's coming here because they've got to do work and it's not really safe. But I also thought I want to get this toilet clean. So I'm going to go put some of this stuff in here. You can see it's absolutely filthy. It's caked on. I can't even scrub that off now. So I'm going to be doing a video of the works. The best toilet cleaner I have ever found. And you kind of squirt it under the rim because sometimes you get some deposits under the rim. There's some deposits by the water jet over there I didn't show you. You don't have to drain the toilet. The thing is, if you don't drain the toilet, if you don't drain it, it's going to dilute with the water in there. And these things, if you can buy this online. I'm going to leave an Amazon affiliate link in the video description if you want to buy this. If you buy it on Amazon, I think it's like $3 or $4 a bottle. If you go to any dollar store, you can pick this thing up for $1.99. It works better than, I've done a bunch of videos. Check out all my amazing videos on my channel. Do a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, click on my affiliate links, donate to my PayPal if you want to help me out. You know, yeah, I'm advertising here. So, I don't notice a chemical smell with this, whereas with the Lysol one, you really notice a chemical smell. I don't even need to shoot the whole bottle in here. It's probably a waste to do that, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to try to fill this up as best as I can. If you fill it up with these new toilets, they drain when you fill them up, but they only drain at a certain point. So I want to get as much of this soaking in the bottom as I can. And for $1, I really don't want to store this thing. Trying to get it to fill up a little bit. Fill up the bottom toilato. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flush this afterwards. You don't even have to scrub it. That is the amazing thing about using this brand. Somebody said it's a diluted, I don't know what it is, something that's used in a pool cleaner, I believe. I don't know. So I think you're supposed to let it sit for about 15 minutes or so, 10 minutes. All of the videos I've used have worked really good. And most of the comments that are left are, I can't believe you washed the toilet without putting gloves on. What's the matter with you? Sorry about that. I had to go and put the bottle in the room. You don't want to scrub this thing. You really should have facial eye protection on. You should have the room open for air. I'm going to turn on a fan right now. A ceiling fan that sucks, a ventilation fan. You don't want to have a fan blowing into the room. It's going to aerosolize all this stuff. And if you've been paying attention to Corona or COVID, you know, aerosolize things in the air, go into your lungs and cause damage. So we can see it's doing a little bit of bubbling over there. And so I'm not going to scrub it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hold it, keep it in here. I don't even have my watch on. Hold on. Well, hold on. Yeah, hold on. Eight minutes. I really should keep it in here longer. I have no patience. Let's flush it right now. Wait a second, the toilet just flushed. What the heck was that? Did somebody clear out all the gravel from the toilet? The water is going down. Look at that. It's sinking down. Something's wrong. Something's definitely wrong. God, the sponge is just crawling with gravel. And I'm just going to do a light wipe. Can you say a light wipe? I'm just doing a light wipe with the sponge right now. And the dirt under the rim is going. Remember the dirt that was over here? Look at that. It's just coming right off now. Okay, so I'm going like that. That's kind of like simulating a plunger shooting the water down. We got the dirt over here. Let's do a light scrub. And most of it's coming off. A lot of it's coming off. I really want to be more aggressive, but I don't want all this junk to shoot into my face. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, people. It's been a pleasure showing you my toilet and how I clean it. And it is absolutely a nightmare down there still, but I'm going to get it cleaned up. I will definitely get it fixed up on my next cleaning adventure after the plumber is out of here. Peace out. This is going to be a video product review of the Lime-A-Way toilet bowl cleaner. We can see down over here we've got a toilet. The toilet's backed up, so I figured since the plumber's not here yet, I cleaned it with the Works, and I'm going to post the video probably before I post this one. And the Works has always been incredible for me. You can see 90% of the toilet is really nice. This toilet wasn't cleaned. A lot of calcium buildup deposits, lime deposits for probably 6 months. So I used the Works in there. I only let it soak for about 6 minutes. I probably should have let it soak for a long time. It removed most of the stuff except on the bottom. So I'm going to test out this Lime-A-Way toilet bowl cleaner now, and we're going to see what it does. It says to soak for 10 minutes. I've never used it before. It does say it's a thick gel. So I'm going to leave an affiliate link in the video description if you want to buy this. I bought this, I think, for $1 at the dollar store, but if you want to buy it on Amazon or if you want to click on my affiliate links, it helps out my channel. You want to donate to my channel, ask for my PayPal, you want to do a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, comment, all that cool stuff, go for it. That will help me. So I don't know if this is going to open up. I just opened up the knob. I'm going to see if it's going to squirt. I don't know if they have a little thing inside the knob. What does it say? It says squeeze and turn to open. I can't believe. Okay, I have to squeeze. You have to squeeze the thing. I'm squeezing. Why isn't it doing anything? I don't know if there's a little thing in the knob. No, there shouldn't be anything in there. Okay, so it's got one of these trick tops that I'm not happy with. I don't like having to deal with chemicals and having trick tops on them. I'm pissed off now. I'm pissed off. It's a squeeze. You got to squeeze really tight. I'm squeezing and it doesn't. There it goes. I'm hoping it's definitely thick compared to. This is a thick gel. The Lysol toilet bowl cleaner and the Works is not thick. This is a thick, gooey gel, which is really what you want when you're cleaning a toilet, because you want this stuff to stay. You want it to stick on the toilato. This has been soaking for about 12 minutes or so, maybe 10 to 15 minutes. I'd love to let it soak longer. I've got a plumber on his way soon. I can't let this stuff sit in the toilet. I'm going to flush it. It's kind of pooling up on the bottom right now, kind of gunking up. Not really so much on the back area as the bottom. Let's flush it and see if it did any good. Wow, wow, wow. It did not remove 100% of it yet, but all I'm saying now is look at this. The Works has been my #1 toilato cleaner, and I think that might be changing soon. I'm going to get this brush. I don't have a face shield on, so I don't want to splatter this stuff in my face. I'm going to get this brush and work it on the bottom over here, just to see if any of the stuff. Wait a second, this toilet just flushed perfectly. Why is the plumber coming here if everything's fixed? Because I don't think everything's fixed. I don't know. Did this clean it? Okay, there's some stuff I see down in there, so it didn't clean it 100%. I think the toilet's fixed. It didn't remove 100% of it. Okay, no, this should be draining down. This should not, this is not right. This did a remarkable job of removing all of that gunk. Not all of it, most of it. I would say it removed a majority of it. I'm really impressed. This is a very, very good, very good product. It's still gunked up on the bottom now. So this might need to soak longer than 10 or 12 minutes. It might need multiple applications. But there is no doubt that this is a fabulous cleaner. Is it better than the Works? That's what I'm wondering right now. I think it might be. I really think it might be. I think what I'm going to say is the Works for a couple of years has held my #1 position for a toilet cleaner, and this is absolutely amazing. Look at this. Look how clean it is. I'm going to flush the toilet one more time and see if it drains, see what happens. That's not right. Okay, so there's definitely a plug in the toilet. I can hear the gurgling, I can hear the bubbling sounds. That is going to be my video. That's going to complete my video. Look at how it's bubbling down, how it's draining down. Okay, so yeah, the Lime Away toilet bowl cleaner, the thick gel, buy it. Click on my affiliate link if you want to order it from Amazon. If you want to go to the dollar store and pick it up, that's up to you. It works. There's no doubt that it works. Thanks for watching, people.